is a pumping organ and the main organ of blood circulatory system. Okay, heart has four chambers: left auricle and right auricle, left ventricle and right ventricle. This is lungs. Lungs is the main organ of respiratory system. Head. Brain is the main organ of
Head.
brain is the main organ of nerve system. Yes. Liver, small intestine, kidney. Kidney is the main organ of excretory system, and kidney help to pure blood. Okay, and lungs is
Respiratory system.
what is the function of lungs?
Respiratory.
Gases exchange. Okay, in the lungs. Gases exchange means deoxygenated blood is converted into oxygenated blood. Stop. Two blood vessels are help to transport the blood. Okay, arteries and veins. Arteries and veins. Okay, veins has which type of blood flows? Deoxygenated blood. And arteries has which type of blood? Oxygenated blood. Means pure and impure blood. Deoxygenated blood means with what? Yes, and with carbon dioxide. Okay. After use the all parts of the body blood collection. Okay, collect and reach up to the heart and it's pump and it reach on the lungs and where gases exchange. Deoxygenated blood is converted into oxygenated blood and it's supplied to the whole part of the body by arteries, blood capillaries. Clear? जो ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड है वो पूरे बॉडी पे जैसे हेड है, हैंड है, लंग्स है, लीवर, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, किडनी, लेग्स, जितने भी बॉडी पार्ट्स हैं वहां तक पूरा ब्लड सप्लाई किया जाता है आर्टरीज के द्वारा. ठीक है, आर्टरीज का जो ब्लड वेसल्स होता है वो क्या होता है? ठीक होता है, मोटा होता है, ठीक है, मजबूत होता है, क्योंकि उसमें ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड फ्लो होता है. इसमें वॉल्व नहीं होते हैं और जो वेन्स होते हैं ना इसमें वॉल्व होता है. वेन्स प्रेजेंट वॉल्व. ओके, वॉल्व प्रेजेंट इन द वेन्स ब्लड कैपिलरीज और ब्लड वेसल्स. क्लियर? सो you all remember this oxygenated and deoxygenated blood in which blood vessels flow. So you can understand that due to the pumping of heart, it's supplying. How does they reach the whole parts of the organs? Blood supply. Okay, this process is called transportation of blood in animal or human beings. Okay. अब इसमें से कुछ पूछना है किसी को? हाँ.
Sir, open circulatory system and closed circulatory system.
We can difference that. What difference between open circulatory system and blood This is closed blood circulatory system because he has make one circle. Okay, they connected to each other and make circle. This is closed. But in open, in a cockroach, in blood system, the blood vessels is work like a heart, or only blood vessels, and there is not circulating. Okay. Good.
WBC
White blood corpus. Good.
platelets.
Platelets. Good. There is 3 type of blood. Okay. Yes. If I ask what is blood? Blood क्या है? कौन बताएगा? Yes.
Sir, blood is cell.
Blood is cell. Which type of cell? आप बताओ. Yes. Which type of cell or tissue?
Sir, connective tissue.
Yes. Blood is a connective tissue. Connective cell. Okay. How much percent of water present in the blood?
Sir, 92% or 8% is the
92% water present and 8% liquids, minerals and nutrients. Clear? What is the specialties of RBC?
Red blood
रेड ब्लड कार्पल्स क्या है? कौन बताएगा? क्या प्रेजेंट होता है उसमें? वो लाल क्यों दिखाई देता है?
A bacteria, hemoglobin are present in red blood corpuscles which is why
Yes.
these are red in color.
Yes. RBC present hemoglobin. Okay. Due to the presentation of hemoglobin, it looks like red in color. Okay. So it is called RBC, red blood corpuscles. Yes. WBC, कौन बताएगा? WBC श्वेत रक्त कणिका क्या होता है? Yes.
Sir, it destroy bacteria which are present in our body.
Yes. It is make immune system in our body. Okay, it pass to the bacteria or germs. So it protect against the germs or infection. Okay, it is a guard say of our body. WBC क्या है? सैनिक है, रक्षक है ना? कोई भी बैक्टीरिया वायरस को भी इन्फेक्शन होता है उससे हमको बचाता है. इसके बाद है प्लेटलेट्स. What is the function of platelets? What is it? Anyone? Vedant? Yes.
सर, हिंदी में बताओ.
Yes, हिंदी में बताओ.
सर, क्या इन लोगों का हाथ कट जाता है तो वो इसे बच जाता है. ओवरफ्लो होता है तो इसको रोकता है.
रोकता है. Yes.
Sir, it is not the blood when a person is blood.
It helps to clotting blood. Okay. Because it has present thermocytes. Okay, and thermocytes work with air and make fibers. Okay, and fibers net where help to the blood clotting. Clear? Platelets. So I think you all understand that about this chapter, transportation in human beings or animal. Clear? Type of blood, how does transport blood from the whole parts of the body. Okay, that's all. Today's homework is